All right, we're gonna look at number 3 on the worksheet. This one right here. The square root of 5n minus 1 is equal to negative 3. Step 1 in solving these problems is always isolate the radical. The radical in this case is already isolated, which is good. Step 2, you need to get rid of the radical. And to get rid of the radical, you've got to take 5n minus 1 and square it. And if you square the left, you've got to square the right. Okay? And when you square it, that gets rid of the radical, so you're left with just 5n minus 1. And negative 3 squared, negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9. Positive number, positive 9. And it should solve fairly nicely and neatly from here. So 5n is equal to 10 divided by 5, and n equals 2. All right, n equals 2 is what we come up with the solution for this problem, which just so happens to be some of the answers down at the bottom. Now, let's go from here. You have to test it. Have to test it. Take the 2, put it into the radical. The radical of 5 times 2 minus 1 is equal to a negative 3. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. The square root of 9 is equal to negative 3. The square root of 9 is equal to negative 3. What's the square root of 9? It's just plain old 3. So it's telling us negative 3 is equal to 3. That's not true. This is no solution, okay? Be very careful. If you see a radical by itself, square root, and it equals a negative number, like it does on this one, a negative number, you don't have to do a thing with this problem. Not anything. It is no solution. Okay, because it can't be done. You can't take the square root of a number, and get a negative answer. Okay, can't be done. Okay, so don't look at this and go, oh, wait a sec, it doesn't work. Okay, so you've got to be very careful. This was a worksheet that I stole, one of many that I stole from the high school. This is a misprint. Okay, obviously, or they forgot about this. This is a no solution answer. And they don't give you a choice of no solution down at the bottom of the page when they give you the solutions down here. Okay, no solution is not one of your choices. Okay, so I can only assume that they sort of messed up on this and forgot that you can't have a negative answer to a square root. So just be careful. Number 3, I'm not going to throw anybody under the bus that caught this and let me know, but Owen Recoy, thank you very much. That was excellent. You can't do this one the way it's written.